Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has ordered a judicial inquiry into the alleged torture of an army officer and the sexual assault of his fiancée at Bharatpur police station in Bhubaneswar. The state government has appointed a commission of inquiry to be headed by Justice Chittaranjan Das, a retired High Court judge, an official notification said. The panel will examine the sequence of events and circumstances, as well as the role, conduct, and accountability of individuals and authorities, it said. The report will be filed within 60 days. The Commission will suggest measures to be taken to avoid the recurrence of such events in future and ensure safety and security of women, the notification said. Meanwhile, the army officer, his fiancée, and her father met Majhi at the state secretariat here in the morning, an official said. The chief minister, in a statement, had Sunday evening said that the Odisha government is committed to taking strict action against all persons or officials who are found guilty. The state government also requested that the Odisha High Court supervise the investigation being carried out by the crime branch of the Odisha police. While emphasizing the rule of the law, Majhi said his government respects the Indian Army. The state government is fully concerned about the dignity, safety, and rights of women, the statement said. The Odisha government has suspended 5 personnel of the Bharatpur police station and registered a case against them for torturing the army officer and sexually harassing his fiancée. The alleged incident took place September 15 when the army officer posted in West Bengal and his fiancée approached Bharatpur police station to lodge a complaint of road rage in which they were allegedly harassed by some local youths. However, a verbal altercation took place between the duo and some policemen following the officer and his fiancée were allegedly assaulted at the police station. BJD President and leader of opposition Naveen Patnaik had demanded a court-monitored SIT probe and a judicial inquiry into the incident. The opposition party called off its proposed 6-hour Bhubaneswar Bandh Tuesday after the government ordered the judicial inquiry. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.